In today's video, I will be discussing a company that is currently valued at around $3, but it is predicted that it will increase around 10 times to 20 times in the next 1 or 2 years, and for the 40 times for the next 5 years. This company is the perfect company if you want to invest and want to have an early retirement. This is Stock Market Now. Before we continue, do make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up, so that we can create more informational and educational videos for you to consume. With that said, let's get right into the video. This company that we are talking about right now owned the 7th largest lithium resource in the world. Based on what the company said, the production scale will increase in the year 2021. According to Cathie Woods, the markets of lithium and EV will be fully revolutionized in the year 2024. Now, EV technologies will decrease its prices and the lithium markets will face shortages. The European Commission had declared lithium as one of the critical raw materials. I will explain why this company will increase its value up to 40 times in the next 5 years. And keep in mind that they owned the 7th largest resource of lithium in the world. The name of this company is E3 Metals Corporation. Right now, this company has a market cap of about $151 million, but it may go up to $2 to $4 billion. Now, this company also produces about 20,000 tons of lithium annually. The company has a predicted NPV tax of about $1.1 billion and has 32% of internal rate return. The average annual EBITDA of the company is around 208. The company is expecting an upgrade to its production from 20,000 tons to 50,000 tons. Massive company expansion can open up project areas that can produce 50,000 tons per year. This company, Piedmont Lithium, is a small-scale company that also produces lithium. This company has a much smaller project life, and now it is trading around $60, and they predicted that this company will be valued at around $75 to $90 and currently has a market cap of around $800 million, which is predicted to hit $1 billion. Now, it is believed that E3 can sell its lithium no matter what when you look at this chart right here. Starting in the year 2024, the supply of lithium is outscored by the demand, and the companies that produced lithium can sell their products at a much higher price. Now, lithium will be soon a hot commodity due to the high rising demand for electric vehicles. The EV passenger sales went up from 450,000 in the year 2015 to 2.1 million in the year 2019, and it is counted as around 2.7% of the total EV sales. Now, during January 25 of 2021, President Biden said that he will convert the government's vehicle fleet into EVs. A single EV can use up to an average of 68 kilograms of lithium. When the EV market grows, the lithium market will also grow. The market size of lithium-ion batteries in 2027 is predicted around $129 billion, with a CAGR of 18%. The demand for lithium in the future will surely increase. Now, E3 Metals Corporation is a lithium company. Our goal is to produce battery-quality lithium products to power the growing electrical revolution. Now, being based in Alberta, we are developing a project on the backbone of the mature and sophisticated oil industry that will allow E3 to catapult its development. Now, E3 combines a significant resource and a well-established local industry with our own proprietary direct lithium extraction, or DLE, that has the potential to deliver lithium to market in one of the best jurisdictions in the world. Now, this company owned 100% interest in the Alberta Petrolithium, and it is the world's largest lithium resource. This company holds around 68 permits for its operation, and around 554,000 hectares that are located in Alberta for the companies operating in producing lithium. This company has a great history of achievements and achieving its goals. The operating cost of the company per ton of lithium is just over 3,656, and that is one of the lowest out there. The usual way of getting lithium is mining from hard rocks, and this company is cheaper in terms of production cost and faster in terms of production, and has higher returns. Now, the way that the company is doing its productions is very good because they have 99% lithium recovery and 99 impurities are removed. Now, this company also produces about 20,000 tons of lithium annually. The company has a predicted NPV tax of about $1.1 billion and has a 32% of internal rate return. The average annual EBITDA of the company is around 208. E3 combines a significant resource and a well-established local industry with our own proprietary direct lithium extraction DLE. Now, the average of lithium per ton is around $14,000, and at this price tag, the company can earn up to $280 million more. The company is opening an E3 Metals development facility in Calgary in early 2021 and an initial development plan to produce 20,000 tons of lithium hydroxide per year with an existing infrastructure in place. Now, the project also has the option to scale up. Project development plan focusing on minimal land footprint, no freshwater use, and a plan focusing on net zero carbon emission and growth in lithium demand expected to expand, driven by significant anticipated growth in the electric vehicle market. Now, it is expected that the EV manufacturers can produce around 30 million EVs for the next few years, and the lithium industry can benefit for that matter. And lithium is considered as an essential material for the economic growth of each nation. 2021 will be a good year for the lithium industry, as would be predicted. Also, many other companies in the industries need lithium, not just in the EV space. LG signed a massive $10 billion deal to make batteries in Indonesia. Yuhua of China also signed a 5-year deal to supply lithium to Tesla. It looks like there are many happenings in the lithium industry right now. Know what you guys think? Let me know in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. But before you go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up. This is Stock Market Now. We'll see you in the next video.